Word document. This call is now being recorded. Yes, Unit 4. 10 questions we have completed all. Yes, can you see properly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, we
sir.
can see properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are moving towards extra questions and answers. Question number 12. It will read by first name Ganatra Sidhar.
Okay, sir. Question number 12. What was subsidiary alliance? Subsidiary alliance was a system introduced by the British governor Wellesley to stop the French power in India. The native states which accept the policy had to keep and maintain British army and representative in his court.
Yes. Subsidiary alliance. According to it, British made agreement with local or native rulers. It was introduced by Governor General Wellesley. It was for two options. First one was to expand the British power. Second one was to stop French power in India. Thus, the native state which accepts this policy, they have to appoint a British representative and British army in their assembly. Besides this, they cannot appoint any other European except England in his kingdom. Very good. 13th question, Rabaria Jai.
Yes, sir. Question number 13. Which alliance was known as a sweet poison? Answer. Subsidiary alliance system. Sir, તે રાઠોડ શૂન્ય to office માં.
Yes. What is your problem?
No, sir, it's okay. Answer. Subsidiary alliance system introduced by the British governor Wellesley was known as the sweet poison.
Yes. Now, which alliance was known as sweet poison? As we know, subsidiary alliance introduced by Governor General Wellesley, which was considered or known as sweet poison. Next question, 14th, Chavalia Chris.
Okay, sir. 14. Who started subsidiary alliance? Who was the first victim? Answer. Governor General Wellesley started subsidiary alliance to expand the British territory in India. The Nizam of Hyderabad was the first victim of the system.
Yes. Here you need to give two answers. First, who started, and second, who was the first victim, means who made first as an agreement with British government. As we know, Governor General Wellesley started this policy or treaty. Why? To expand the British rule. And Nizam of Hyderabad, he was the first one to accept this policy or become the victim. Yes, then here are short questions. So 15, 16, two questions. Ashnani Ansita.
Yes, sir. Question number 15. When and where was the first railway line started? Answer. The first railway line was started in 1853 between Mumbai and Thane. Question number 16. When and where the first three universities are established in India? Answer. The first three universities were established by Dalhousie in Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata in 1857.
Yes, two questions. 15. When and where was the first railway started in India? As we know, first railway started in 1853 between Mumbai and Thane. Now Thane is also a part of Mumbai. So during those days, it was different. 16.1. When and where the first three universities, especially English, started or established in India? As we know, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. These are the three places started by Dalhousie and time is 1857. Now 17 and 18, Dabhi Pratap.
Yes, sir. Which law was passed in time of Dalhousie? Dalhousie passed a law to ban child marriage. Number 18. Who introduced post wireless system and railway in India? Answer. Governor General Dalhousie introduced post wireless system and railway in India.
Yes, 17. Which law was passed in the time of Dalhousie? Child marriage. To ban child marriage was passed by Dalhousie. Second one, who introduced post wireless system and railway in India? As we know, Dalhousie again, he introduced post wireless system and railway in India. Now, question number 19 and 20. Manna Somdeep.
Yes, sir. Question number 19. What do you mean by annexation policy? British Governor General introduced this policy to bring an end of native rule and merge them in British rule. He had annexed many states, giving excuses.
Let's
Uh,
continue.
sir, Narwani is presenting. I can't see
Narwani,
the.
Narwani Krish was presenting.
no problem, continue. You can pin my ID so that only my screen can be available on your screen.
સર સ્ક્રીન નથી આવતી તમારી.
Showing. Suppose I want to see this. Here is a pin. If you click here, then only this screen you can see. If other will present, you cannot see. Is it clear? This way,
સર પણ ઈ પ્રેઝન્ટ કરે ને તો તમારી નો આવે.
no problem. Now try. Just continue from this.
Yes, sir, but I cannot see the slideshow.
Slideshow is not there. Here is Word file.
Sir, I can see.
Yeah, screen
સર
present.
એકવાર સ્ટોપ પ્રેઝેન્ટિકલી પાછું કરો તો આવી છે.
Okay, I am going for the same. Stop screen sharing.
આવી ગઈ સર.
Okay, no problem. Again, I share. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
read
Now I can see.
19 and 20 both.
Yes. He annexed many states, giving excuses of mismanagement and expanded British rule in India. Question number 20. Which state were annexed by Dalhousie? Answer. Governor General Dalhousie annexed Satara, Karnataka, Jhansi, Sambalpur,
Sabalpur.
Jaipur, yes, Sambalpur, Jaipur, Nagpur, etc. by declaring them hairless.
Right. Again, two questions. What do you mean by annexation policy? Annexation means to annex. આજથી લેવું, છીનવી લેવું. It was introduced by British government, Dalhousie, Governor General Dalhousie. According to this policy, he annexed the native kingdom by giving reasons, excuses that there is mismanagement in administration or the rule without favor. Means king died without any son. According to this policy, he did not allow adopted son. Question number 20. Which states were annexed by Dalhousie? Here are now some names of the states which were annexed by Dalhousie. They are, here you need to give only names. Satara, Karnataka, Jhansi, Sabalpur, Jaipur, Nagpur. These are a few of states which were annexed by Dalhousie. Now, we are moving towards objective. Before that, any questions from your side? Okay, no problem. Fill in the blanks. I think it is the last question of the chapter. First 5 blanks. Yeah, Vakasya Trusil.
Okay, sir. Governor General Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance policy in India. Number second, Dalhousie didn't allow childless king to adopt son. Number third, Nizam expected subsidiary alliance policy at first. The first railway line was started from Mumbai to Thane by Dalhousie in 1853 CE. Number 5. Ranjit Singh was a powerful ruler of Punjab.
Very good. Here are blank. You need to remember the words. First one, Governor General Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance. Second one, Dalhousie. He did not allow the childless kings to adopt sons according to his policy and exception. Third blank, Nizam of Hyderabad, as we know. He accepted a subsidiary alliance policy at first. Fourth one, the first railway line was started from Mumbai to Thane. Here you can see a few blanks. It will be possible. You are asked one of them. The first railway line was started from Mumbai to Thane. This is one blank. By Dalhousie. This is second in 1853 CE. This is third. You can ask all or one or two from. Next one, Ranjit Singh. He was the powerful ruler of Punjab. Very good. Now, next one, Gavesh Riya.
Yes, sir.
Continue. 6 to 10.
Okay, sir. Telegraph and postal service was started in India by Governor General Wellesley expanded the British Company within 7 years. 8. By divide and rule policy, the British ruined the native kings of India. 9. Wellesley developed a good relation with Maharaja Ranjit Singh. 10. 3 universities were started in India by Dalhousie in 1857 CE.
Yes. Next, 5 blank. First one, Ranjit Singh was a powerful ruler of Punjab. In this blank, you will ask either Ranjit Singh or Punjab as a blank. One word will be given, one will be blank. Next one, telegraph and postal service was started in India by Governor General Dalhousie. In the same blank, there might be Dalhousie as a blank or telegraph and postal as a blank. Next, Wellesley expanded the British Company within 7 years. Here 7 or Wellesley, one of them will be blank. 8. By divide and rule, by this policy, British ruined the native kings of India. 9th one, Wellesley developed good relations with Maharaja Ranjit Singh. In this blank, either Wellesley or Ranjit Singh may be asked as a blank. Next one, 3 universities were started in India by Dalhousie in 1857. 3 blanks are given, 1 or 2 of them may be asked. This way, this chapter is going to finish. Any question from your